give it pumpkin. Pumpkin everywhere. Pumpkin everything. Pumpkin, pumpkin.
The thing that's on the carpet just disappears.
And then she becomes the carpet. She becomes one with the carpet. Yeah, you can. I give you puree of pumpkins because it's autumn.
She loved it too. She's like, yeah, I'll have more of that puree.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things that help you get closer to a happier and healthier you. But before we start this awesome video, I'd like to ask for you to like, to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Darling, trust me.
Wow.
When you've had a hard life like I have, you gotta spice it up, darling. That's why I love autumn so much.
Beautiful.
Yeah. This is almond flour. This is a little bit of sugar, like conventional worth, and of course a little bit of spice because I like a spicy crust. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna mix. And you see, now we're gonna bake it at 425 for about 15 minutes.
Man, girl, you made their crust chunky. I like it.
And now because we're gonna bake it, it's gonna be extra crispy and spicy. The filling always brings in a lot of mess,
A lot of mess.
but it's good mess.
Next.
1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Now we're gonna whip it good.
Very good.
Where's the pumpkin pie? Where's the pumpkin pie? Anybody seen that pumpkin pie?